trying to
Might
think
have
what a
been from my
Pinterest
event.
tattoo is. So
Well,
tattoo
so
off
sometimes
of
there are
Pinterest.
people that have zero imagination, and what they do is they go to this little app called Pinterest, and I don't even have the app on my phone. I have to like go to a picture that somebody shared with me that is on Pinterest. I don't know how you would get to it, but anyways. So the cool thing about Pinterest is somebody be like, "This thing's amazing," and as an artist, you're like, "Yeah, that is cool. I'd love to do some more homework and find out what artist did it, and find out more about this, and find out how we could make this our own." And then what you have is just a picture that is a dead end.
A picture, man.
But the other thing is, from like the collector's point of view, if
Nothing
you've seen
unique
it
in
on Pinterest, so have tens of thousands of millions of billions of other people.
Well,
And
I
they
mean,
probably asked for the same thing.
hear me out.
I'm
There
listening.
is a time and place in a level of tattooer that their job is to duplicate whatever the fuck you bring in. Okay. If you're going to a high-end tattoo studio where you're paying somebody more than entry-level rates to do a tattoo, why would you not want that artist to do their art?
That's a funny question. And
It's a
I
lack
find
of
myself
imagination.
asking that all the time.
It always kind of blows my mind. You're like, hey, you're really fucking good at making tattoos. That's what I like about you. I've been trying to acquire some of your time.
So in the client's head, they're thinking that this person is just going to nail the tattoo. So there's just a trust thing, but there is a lack of imagination and a disrespect to the artist themselves. When you say, just bring me the image and just copy paste that for me and put that on my skin.
Yeah.
But there still is a, like, I trust this artist to be able to do that.
Now,
perfectly.
if it's your family crest, if it's, you know, like something that needs to be duplicated, my grandfather had this tattoo, something along those lines, and you're getting something in that fashion, that makes sense to me. Duplicate that art. You want to get some traditional flash? Duplicate that art, because that's a badass tattoo to start with. But like the feather trend,
A feather disappearing into anything.
the flying away fucking
A
crows,
dandelion being
because they all look
blown
like
off into
crows.
the
I didn't give a
distance.
fuck what kind of
I
bird
feel
you
like
made
it's
it.
kind of it start looking like weird outline smudges that aren't quite colored in all the way.
I feel like we're describing Marty Holcomb right now.
Wow.
Or
Because like every time I go see somebody, he's like doing like just some weird family crest or like some script or like
Wow.
a feather or
oh,
and
you
nobody is-
must catch him on the
Well, I
off
catch him on the
nights,
off
'cause,
days.
like,
I'm not
he's
seeing no
he's body-
dragons.
that's why I'm looking at you
Yeah, like-
confused. Like, yeah, he's usually like bodysuit after bodysuit.